even. So today we are going to guess between odd or even, whether it is odd or even. So we are going to revise and understand what is odd and even. When you find objects or numbers, you will make their pairs. If brother and sisters comes in one circle, they are even. And if there are only brothers, then they are odd. So brothers and sister means even. If it is a simple one, only one, that is odd. Odd, that is called odd. If there is no other left, so we are going to say it is even. And I have already made a video on odd and also on even, and you have understood it in the previous lessons. So now we are going to learn about the objects. So here are different objects: socks and gloves. Because now it is a winter season, we are using these things to keep us warm. So first word is sock, sock, glove, sock, glove, sock, glove. So what we are going to do, we are going to decide whether it is even or odd. Let's start. So when you see on your book, how many socks can you see? First question is, how many socks can you see? So how many socks are there? We will only count socks, not gloves. Only we are going to count socks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 socks, 10 socks, 11, 12, 13, and it is 13. So how many socks are here, boys? So try to count by yourself as well. Maybe your teacher be mistaken. You can see, count again. You can send the message if I am correct. You can send the message, okay? If I am wrong, or how many have you counted? Okay, how many socks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have counted 13. So you can send the message if I am right. So I got the message from someone, Hamza, saying hi. Hamza, you should send the answer. You should not send the hi. Okay. Is that an odd number or an even number? So 13 is odd or even. Who is going to tell me that 13 is odd or even? Okay, Abdullah Tawergi is going to answer. Abudi. Yes, Abudi, tell us.
Odd, odd.
13 is odd. It is an odd number. So we are going to write odd. So we are going to write here odd. 13 is odd. We are going to see ones, and in ones we have 3, and 3 is an odd number. Okay. Okay. Moving on to the next question. How many gloves can you see? How many gloves you can see? First, what we were learning, we were talking about the socks. Now we are going to count gloves. So Ahmed is going to tell us how many gloves can you see, Ahmed?
Yes.
Yes, how many gloves are there in your book? 1,
4.
2, 3, 4. So how many gloves we have? We have 4.
4.
Okay, 4. I'm going to write here 4. You people also write with me. 4. Okay. Is that an odd or an even number? Yes, Ahmed. Is it odd or even?
Ever.
Sorry, say again.
Reason.
Even. It is even number.
Even.
So write here even. E-V-E-N. Even. So even. 4 is even. Why it is even? Because when we draw 4 circles like this, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each one have their pairs. So we are going to say that 4 is even. And 13, we are going to see the ones, not the tens. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Here are 3. So 2 have pairs and this one has no pairs. So what is it? It is odd, not even. Okay. I have raised it all. So here we had how many socks? 13, and it was an odd number. Then we have seen the gloves. Gloves are 4 and they are even. Even. So what we are going to write here? Even number. 4 circles means everyone has a pair. Okay. How many socks and gloves all together? How many socks and gloves all together? So what we are going to do? We are going to write how many socks and gloves all together. So what you are going to do? You are going to add 13 plus 4. Count 13 in your mind and 4 in your finger. What comes after 13? What comes after 13? 14, 15, 16, 17. So what is the answer? 17. If we add 13 with 4, 14, 15, 16, 17. How I have told you how we are going to count 13 in your minds and 4 in your finger. So our answer is 17. Is that an odd number or an even number? So what you are going to see in 17, you are going to see ones, not tens. What you are going to do, you are going to see 7. So 7 is even or odd? What is 7? 7 is odd or even? If you don't know what you are going to do, Draw 7 circles and you are going to find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now we are going to put these in the pairs. So first box have two brothers and sisters, second one has two brothers and sister, third one has two brothers and sister. What about the last one? No pair, no friend, no brother and sister. So what we are going to say that 17 is an odd number. What is 17? 17 is an odd number. Right here, odd, O-D-D, odd. 17 is an odd number. The gloves were 4 and they were even. Socks were 13 and they were odd. Done? Done, boys. Have you completed this? Okay, a lot of messages are coming.